Yeah, hello my beautiful people. I'm back again with yet another video. I want to take my profits for today, being thought of thought of January 2024. I want to take my profit with you guys. That was why I just decided to want to close my profit. I want to close my trade. You can see it's trading. Wow, this is looking beautiful. This one, you see, take profit will still take this signal. I will soon hit my take profit. That is pounds JPY. I will soon hit my take profit. You can see it here. So I will soon hit it at the top. You can see. Oh, it has already taken the profit. It has cut the first one because it's three trade. I think the first one has cut the trade. Yeah, the first one has hit the take profit. I think the second, the other two, remaining two, you see, okay, one has taken profit, the other one has taken profit. So I'm just ready to close my trades. I want to close everything. I'm okay. I'm not even ready to wait. Let's see. Let me show you. That one has closed all the trade. You can see it's still going up. Like this is going to still go up. Let's check for US GPY. See, it will reach here before it take profit, but I'm okay for today. I'm going to close this trade. Close this trade with me. Close position here. Close position. I'm good to go. So I'm sitting at 1,300 for today's trade. At first in the morning was 300 and something. I think now that I hit then 1,000 something. So a total. So this is my today's trade. In the morning I make 300 and something dollars. The second time I just traded this, you've seen it. You've seen what I traded. We're sitting at 308. You can all see the trade is looking beautiful. This is all my trade for today. These are all my trade. You can see everything is thought, thought, thought. You can all see the date all on the thought. You can see them all on the thought today. These are all the trades for today. Every day I like to check my trade for that day, for that, see, USDT JPY has done well. I love you, thank you. That was the two currency I just traded now, this afternoon. And this one, you can see they are all for buy. Like, it's clear, simple and clear. And I've hit my take profit for all of them aside the US JPY. I just closed the trade because I'm good and it's okay for me for today. For today, I'm good to go, so bye. Till I come your way with yet another video. Bye for now. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Share the video. Tell me what you want to know on the comment sections. I'm ready to teach you. I'm ready to put you through. Thank you, my people. Thank you. Bye for